Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Porsche Boxster convertible top, full guide. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with the engine running and the parking brake set, then confirm the top is unlocked and all windows are fully up before activating the top switch to prevent damage. Begin by removing interior clutter and lowering the windows completely, then release any manual latches near the windshield header. Walk through the sequence slowly, using the switch to fold the top while monitoring the fabric and frame alignment, and pause immediately if you hear grinding or see misalignment. Use gentle, steady pressure on the top switch and do not force the mechanism if resistance appears. Keep hands and clothing away from moving parts, and have a helper watch the rear compartment as the top retracts to ensure the tonneau cover aligns properly and nothing gets pinched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.